Hello everyone, and today I'd be like to showing you Soundbites, brand new in its original box. Now, you used to be able to walk into a store, buy it for $10 max, but now you can't do that. And it's 2010, and here's the back of the box. You can see that electronic Soundbites. Yep, 2010. You can. Hopefully you can read that there. Okay, camera, close up. There we go. There's the, look at the machine. See? It has the 20, I think it was. Let's see. Yep, 20 buttons. That covers the speaker. Let's just sample some of the sounds. Seems to be working. Let's get it out. Okay, camera, go back. So, oh, okay, you can still see me. Here, camera. Camera. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Oh, this has instructions. It also, I think it has the, yeah, I have the, each sound written on here. That makes it vibrate. Let's start this one. You. Yeah. Wah, 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 wah. Ow. That really hurt. Ow, ow, ow. I'm never pressing that button again. No! The cops are coming because someone blew up the bomb. And the person that blew up the bomb is... nobody! Now, this thing, it's so cool. Uh-oh. Okay. It's funny because there's a sound right next to a call. Do that, please call. This one would be an awesome April Fool's prank for my grandpa. Like, we used to freeze his toothbrush, but like sneak up behind him. Grandpa! That would be awesome. Oh, I know what this is. This sounds awfully high. I know. Ow! This is the sound that hurts the most. That hurts! Okay, I swear, I am never gonna press that again! It hurts. No, seriously, it hurts. Let's see what this one is. Cash register. Now the only button I haven't pressed is. So guys, that was electronic Soundbites. Here's even the packaging. Whoa, I just realized something. So if you walk into a store, which you probably couldn't do this anymore. Whoa, I realized something. You can rebox this. It won't look good though. See, you can't get all these in. But see, you can't get the bottom one. See? This is stuck under. Oh, well, if you walk into a store, you'll see, which you probably can't do anymore, you'll see this. This 312 package. And just take it out again. New inbox. I never opened it. Like, so, I bought an original. Not in good condition. So, it flopped. The twisted. Stopped working. But you're probably like, what does this have to do? Are you changing like the carpet? I'll push this stuff all over to the side. No, it's just that my original had flopped, so like the twister wasn't working, and I was looking for it on the board, on like the headboard of my bed, and my hand bumped into this new in its box, and oh, sorry about that. It was just my dog. It was just my dog. If you guys could see that, I might get a lot of compliments on that. And I have 26 subscribers, so if I get to 30, I will, I don't know what I'll do because my Bop It Original reset, but I found out a way to get to the master level, but I'm testing it, and then when I fail, it's like, it only is novice. It is such a weird glitch, but I'm going to try something else that I think might work for it. And I'm kind of changing topics here. But thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.